Today we are thrilled to introduce the latest addition to the OXVA Xlim series, the Xlim SQ Pro. The Xlim SQ Pro marks a significant upgrade with its new exterior design, higher voltage, and larger battery capacity. Featuring a vibrant 0.96-inch TFT color screen and a range of pod options, it promises an extreme vaping experience and unprecedented visual enjoyment. The Xlim SQ Pro carries 0.96-inch TFT color screen, providing clear and aesthetically pleasing information with precise, vivid color representation. It's so easy to personalize your experience with 3 dynamic themes in different styles, switchable with one click by your preference. Delivering a maximum power of 30 watts with 0.4 top-fuel cartridges, the Xlim SQ Pro is perfectly compatible with all Xlim series cartridges, including Xlim V2, top-fuel, and pre-fuel cartridges. What sets it apart is the exceptional capability of the Xlim series cartridges, offering the freedom to choose between freebase and unique solid liquids, delivering a various vaping experience from master long to restricted direct long. The Xlim SQ Pro is equipped with a powerful 1200 mAh built-in battery, capable of lasting up to 3 days on a single charge, and can be fully charged in just 45 minutes with Type-C to Ampere fast charging. Taking one more step, the Xlim SQ Pro provides 2 output power modes. Smart mode, which automatically optimizes power delivery, and Power mode, allowing you to manually adjust the strength to your liking. With these 2 modes catering to different preferences, the choice is yours.